What's up, viewers? Welcome back to Shona, and today we are going to be taking you through business words in Shona. Stay tuned. Accruals, zvikwereti, advertise, kushambadza, affordable, kutengeka, agenda, chinangwa, agreement, chibvumirano, arbitration, kuyananiswa, benefits, zvakanakira, board, bazi, board of directors, bazi revatungamiriri vekambani, or you can just simply say bazi revatungamiriri. Bonasi. This word is a direct translation, or it is just a direct translation from the word bonus. As you can see, it is almost pronounced the same, only that in Shona we say bonasi instead of bonus. Bookkeeper, mabarani, borrow, kwereta, briefcase, nava. That's the first word. The second one is begi, business, bizimusi, buy, tenga, buyer, mutengi, calculate, tsvaga. Well, this is it is contextual meaning. When we are saying calculate something in Shona, we will be saying tsvaga kuti panobuda chi. Let's say calculate the answer for this. Tsvaga kuti panobuda chi. So do make sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an episode, or a series rather, where we'll be using these words in sentences so that it might make sense. Today we're just going to run through the words and tell you the translation. So calculate, it's tsvaga. Career, basa. Cargo, zvinhu. Chairman, sachigaro. Chairman or chairwoman, they are both translated to sachigaro. Charge, badarisa. Close, chikamu. Client, mutengi. Collateral, zvibatiso. If we have got so many collaterals, it's zvibatiso. If it is only one, let's say it's only your car, we will say chibatiso. We will only change ZV here and we put ch to chibatiso, meaning one. Commodity, chiri kutengeswa, chiri kutengeswa. This can also be translated to zvinhu as well, just like cargo. It can also be translated to zvinhu. I think you'll get more few of the words when we are putting them in sentences, so do make sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the series when it starts. Company, kambani, kambani. Competition, makundano, makundano. Consumer, mushandisiwe, mushandisiwe. I have put mushandisiwe as in this one, which you read we in English. It's mushandisiwe. So now, depending with the commodity, let's say maybe it's a toothpaste, we will say mushandisiwe toothpaste, or we can simply translate consumer to mutengi, mutengi. Contract, chibvumirano, chibvumirano. Corner office, we couldn't leave this out when you are speaking, when you are translating business words, isn't it? The corner office, everybody loves a corner office. Even I like corner office. So corner office, office yepa corner, office yepa corner. Cost, mutengo, mutengo. Credit, chikwereti, chikwereti. Customer, I think we have repeated that one. Customer, mutengi, mutengi. Database, denero ruzivo, denero ruzivo. Deadline, mugumo, mugumo. That's the first word. Or pazvinogumira, pazvinogumira. Deal, diri, diri. Demand, kudiwa, kudiwa, or kuda, kuda. Kudiwa here is now contextual. Some might have come across love, as in I'm being loved, also translated as kudiwa. So this is contextual. When you're talking about demand, it's when someone likes something or loves something. So anenge achida chinu, that person demands something. Anenge achida chinu, so we translate it to kudiwa or kuda. Department, bazi, bazi, or boka, boka. Director, mutungamiri, mutungamiri. Discount, dzikisira, dzikisira. Dismiss, kudzinga, kudzinga, or kuramba, kuramba. Distribution, kugova, kugova. Diversify, kusiyanisa, kusiyanisa, or siyanisa, siyanisa. It depends whether you are seeing diversify as a noun or as a verb. Down payment, yafanobhadarwa, yafanobhadharwa. Duty, basa, basa. Efficiency, kugona, kugona. Employ, shandisa, shandisa. Employee, mushandi, mushandi. Employer, mushandirwi, mushandirwi. Employment, basa, basa. Entrepreneur, muzvinabhizimusi, muzvinabhizimusi. Equipment, zvekushandisa pabasa, zvekushandisa pabasa. Estimate, fungidzira, fungidzira. Or we can say fungidziro, fungidziro. It now depends whether estimate is you are saying it as a noun or you're saying it as a verb, listen, someone must do as an action. So if someone is saying, please estimate this for us, then we will say, unokwanisa kufungi, tinokumbira ufungidzire kuti zvakamira sei. So I'm very sorry today we didn't put fungidziro, but we only put fungidzira there. Expensive, kudura, kudura. Thank you very much for joining us on this first episode of Business Words in Shona. Do make sure to click on the notification bell, and if you like this video, please drop a